Hello, my name is Christine Staff, and I am here to tell y'all about my favorite website, and that is the Fashion 10 and Trends. As you can see, they have a live going on in the background, and this is just where I get all my different clothes from. And of course, my husband says we go broke with me buying the different clothes, and this is just what I do on my free time. And I have a closet full of these clothes, but you can shop clothes, accessories, you can get gift cards, plenty of times that they might have free shipping, and it's an overall very good, fun, loving website that I like to shop at. And that is it. Thank you.